How to see when you started following someone on Instagram. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily see when you've started following someone on Instagram. But before we getting started, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, you just want to head over to your profile section. And then from here, you're going to head over to your following list. Now, all you have to do here is select the profile that you want to see when you've started following. For example, I'm just going to tap on this one. And once you do that, what you're going to do now is tap on the three lines at the top right. And here you have an option to see shared activity. So just tap on it. And once you do that, it will show you when you started following each other. So as you can see, this person followed me in December 24, and then I started following this person in September 2024. So that's how you see when you've started following someone on Instagram. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.